Maisy goes on a nature walk. Maisy Goes on a Nature Walk by Lucy Cousins. Today, Maisy and her friends are going on a nature walk. Maisy packs her bag. Hooray! All ready to go. Everybody meets at the park entrance. I'm so excited, says Tallulah. Me too, agrees Maisy. First, they visit the pond. There are so many animals and plants living here. Charlie crouches down for a closer look. Hello, tadpoles. Hello, fish. Hello, dragonfly. The animals who live in the woods are very shy. Who can you see? There are chirping noises up in the trees. Cheep, cheep, tweet, tweet. Maisy spots a bird and her chicks. Maisy looks for insects hiding under logs and in the leaves. The ants are very busy. The next stop is the wildflower garden. What's that buzzing sound? The bees are busy making honey. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Using a magnifying glass, Cyril looks at the tiny creatures living by the flowers. Eddie finds the perfect tree for building a fort. Maisy and Cyril collect little twigs. Charlie looks for branches and sticks. Tallulah picks daisies for a special surprise. What a marvelous fort! Surprise, says Tallulah. She has made everyone lovely flower crowns. Thank you, Tallulah. What a wonderful day exploring outside. I love nature walks, says Maisy. The